Alright, so I've been testing the Switch against a bunch of different handhelds that I've got laying around here, and one thing that I've noticed is we've got Cyberpunk running on the Switch 2, the Steam Deck OLED, and the GPD Win4 2025 edition. This is the new one with the Radeon 890M. And one thing that has been mind-blowing is the fan noise. The fan noise is phenomenally quiet. I haven't even noticed it yet. Let me just show you something right here. Okay. GPD Win4. I mean, I don't know how well the mic will pick it up, but to my eye, if I listen, I can feel a little bit of hot air coming out, but I can't hear anything at all. And with the Steam Deck OLED, I can hear it, but it's pretty quiet. It's pretty quiet, not very noticeable, not a problem. But with the GPD Win4, yeah, you can hear it and it's quite loud, and to me, it kind of is a problem. But anyway, I'm just shocked at, this is about the most demanding game that you could play on your Switch 2, and I hear no fan noise. Not a little bit of fan noise, no fan noise. And it's been running Cyberpunk for the last like maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes now. Anyway, that's it. Crazy. I am absolutely shocked. I don't know how Nintendo did that.